Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer from Metamask to your Bybit. So the first step is to head over to your Metamask application. I'm assuming you have BNB in your Metamask and you want to transfer your BNB to Bybit. So what you'll do is simple. You just come and click on BNB over here, okay? And I'm assuming you have BNB. So if you have BNB in your Metamask wallet, okay? If you have BNB in your Metamask wallet, you just click on send over there, okay? And then before you send, you need to come back to your Bybit application and then get the address that you're sending on to. So click on deposit on Bybit and then tap on deposit crypto and then come and select BNB. So BNB represents the Binance Smart Chain or the Binance coin. So you click on the network. For this case, the network is BNB or it is B220. Okay, so come here and then copy this address over here and then head back to your Metamask and then paste your address over here. So as you can see, you're sending from Metamask to your Bybit address, which is this one here. And for this case, I don't have enough BNB, but if you have enough BNB, just click on next over here and then verify, and you'll be sending the coins, you'll be transferring the coins from Metamask to Bybit. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.